It's the Rasta man way of opening a can.
Still I look up, I look, you know. You check myself, Matthew. Anything when you look for me there, you know. When I feel enough for me food. I got one place in your belly sick you. I look on you.
So just wait till it gives it a boil and then...
So,
Does all the water boil off or you use it as like a sauce for the rice?
yeah, just got to pick up now. I should get rid of it, you know, dry them out, after the fire for them rush. Fuck it up now. Mom. Soon good again, you know.
Yeah, man. Which bush did you put in it? Which one is the soup bush?
Yeah, that's so good.
And it actually comes from a bush, not a tree.
It's a tree, man, that tree.
Now we can just wait. Relax.
You turn on.
It's nice.
That's in my style, sir. With a little more oil in it. A little more oil in my lamp, keep it burning. Good.
Well, I gotta say, this is the first time I've seen baked beans done so nice.
Oh.
People usually just put them out of the can, put it in the microwave, and that's it, right?
No cook so good.
No. I can't imagine. This is gonna be so much better.
Yeah, man. You must keep up in our mind. You're doing that about the... Eat them, Matthew.
Yeah. Totally thickened up.
Yeah, that's why I never want no more keep up in it. I'm really ready, you know. That's it. Yeah, the boat land. The plane land. Yeah, we that now.
We worked pretty hard this morning. We spent the whole day making breakfast.
Breakfast.
Half the day making breakfast.
Yeah.
So a nice, quick, big dinner.
Sauce of the rice, I go buy the matter. And I would nice it's baked beans this year I eat, you know, so. Remember me tell you, Rasta tell you this evening, the nicest baked beans this year I had.
I believe it.
Yeah.
I don't know if I could say I've ever had nice baked beans. I've just had baked beans.
Ah, right.
Straight out the can, that's it. Gourmet baked beans,
Yeah, man.
5-star.
See this? Now the soup bush here.
Can you still eat the soup bush?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. I guess dogs will eat it.
Everybody wants it, you know. Yeah.
Check that out. That is some legit baked beans with plantain on rice.